Have you ever gotten to the point where you're about to upload a TikTok and your mind goes completely blank when it's time to actually write the caption? I've got you covered. I have 9 super powerful, easy TikTok caption ideas that you guys can implement for more views, followers, and even sales. Let's cue that intro, and while the intro is playing, comment below and let me know what is your TikTok handle. Let's have some fun. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist, a mom of 3. At the time of filming this, I am so close to 700,000 TikTok followers. Pinch me, it is seriously so exciting. But what I want to share with you guys today is a bunch of different things that you can do to create some layers of interest, intrigue, engagement, and also to make sure that you're targeting the right people with your captions on TikTok. Now, this is super important. A lot of times people think that no caption, no hashtags is like the cool way to go about things. I could do a whole video about TikTok hashtags. I could talk about it all day, but if you want a 15-minute tutorial or training about it, comment below hashtags, and if enough people comment, I'll just see about getting you guys that training on TikTok hashtags for massive growth. But in the meantime, hashtags and captions are an important part of TikTok growth for one major reason. While there are some people who do have growth and success without captions and without hashtags, this is an opportunity for you to increase your engagement. It's an opportunity for you to self-segment or allow people to self-segment, and it's a really great way for you to reach new people with your content. So let's dive on into these 9 ideas for super easy TikTok captions that will support your growth. Number 1, this is adding a layer of controversy. Now, I try not to do too many of these because just by nature, being a human creating content is naturally controversial. People find a reason to get upset, but there's something really powerful about using your caption to make a statement about something that you believe in. For example, this one is a very clear statement about being both a humanitarian and a capitalist, and how I believe that humanitarians, nonprofits, philanthropists really need to build businesses in order to make sure that they're able to afford to fund the world change that they want to create. That caption right there is going to bring in criticism, which is engagement, which also brings people that you want to see your video as well into your sphere of influence. If you really want to change the world, start a business. Build a successful business. Get profitable fast. Make it a priority. Because to really change the world, you want to be able to write needle-moving checks. Number 2, and this is one of my favorites. I do this on TikTok. I do this on Reels. I do this on so many different places, and that is to ask a question. Allow people to self-identify with your content. So you may say, who's interested in art? Who loves art pieces? Would you get this art piece in your house? Ask a question that people easily can answer yes to. Don't make it something pitchy like a sales pitch. Who wants to join my team? Who wants to be my next client? Make it like, who is a business owner? And that way you can literally see all of the people who are potentially ideal clients and customers. And bonus, if you follow up with those people and build relationships with them, you also, once again, could secure some clients directly from the follow-up game. Number 3 is asking people for the next step. I personally love to do something like comment yes below, tag a business owner, tag a friend, or this is one that you may have seen across TikTok, and that is claim it, or comment below to claim it. Those boost engagement naturally because people love being given a direction. They love being given permission to engage with content and to feel like they're set up to win. Give people the easy win by asking them to take action below. Now, playing into a plot twist is a really fun one, and it is, of course, number 4. What I love about this is when you do a video that's going to be a plot twist, but no one sees it coming, especially if you're leading people on to believe something, and then you switch it halfway through the video, you can allow your caption to lead people on further in the video so that way people are like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see the reveal. And it's kind of a fun way to just have a little more fun with your followers and the people who see your content. And it also encourages them to spend more time watching your video because they're like, ooh, this ending is gonna be totally worth it. And then they're like, dang it, because it's a plot twist, which is just a fun way to go about it.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Number 5, a Clear CTA, aka directions to a link in the bio. Now, anytime that I just direct people straight to the link in my bio, my engagement's really low. So I like to have a 2-part call to action most of the time, whether it's actually in the video or in the caption. I like to say comment something below, and then the link is in the bio for more directions. So that way you still get the engagement and people don't just click off right away and go to the link in your bio, but it's a great way to get people into your lead magnets, build your email list. It's really powerful for building out a segmentation of people who you ultimately want to nurture to become clients or customers.
Ooh. Ooh. What? Oh yeah.
Some hits don't make no sense.
Number 6, add a detail that surprises people or makes their jaws drop. So for example, in this one, I said we met and got married in 13 days. I believe in soulmates now. So watching the video, they may be like, oh, this is a cute video. This is funny. Oh, I like them. And then they read the caption and they're like, no way. For real? And then they're like, I need to hear the story behind this. Tell me more. Story time, etc. So add a detail to your caption that makes people say, what?
People are like, Sarah, do you believe in soulmates? I'm like, no. How can one person be so...
Now, number 7 is a little interesting because this is once again adding more context or more detail, but this is adding a layer of interest. And what I like about this is it gives people opportunities to comment based on either absolutely loving whatever your caption's about or absolutely hating whatever your caption's about. So for example, I know that talking about being plant-based and being vegan are natural hotbeds for engagement. But the beautiful thing is, as more engagement comes in, more people see my videos. So just by talking about those things and adding that layer of interest or commonality with some people, you're gonna naturally gain a lot more engagement and viewership of your content.
We just wanted to tell you in person that we won't be going forward with filming the show anymore. I just want you to know that we really appreciate you guys, each and every one of you.
Did we make the right decision by walking away?
Number 8. This is probably my second to favorite way of writing a caption for a TikTok video. And this is giving some character backstory. So for example, and this is my journey, but you're gonna have a different way of going about this. When people see my content for the first time, they make a lot of assumptions. They make an assumption that maybe I married my husband and he was rich, or that I don't like to help other people, or that I'm selfish or whatever. And so something that I like to do is add some of that character backstory of who I am into my captions. And by the way, I don't even get mad when people make assumptions. It's a part of human nature. And so that assumption makes sense, but it's my job to share this is who I really am. And so by creating a caption that gives that character backstory, people can fall in love with you. They can be like, wait, first I like this video, but I love this caption. And subconsciously they're gonna be like, I like this person and I'm rooting for them.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. I'm still standing on my feet.
And number 9, I don't play up this one as much, but it is my favorite. I will say this one's probably the most challenging of the 9 types of TikTok captions that you can use. I'm not as good at this, so I don't do it as much, but this is adding some spice or some like sassiness to your captions. Some people are really good at this. If you're good at this, do this. I am not great at this, so I only do this once in a while. But what I like about it is it shows like, hey, listen, I have, you know, a backbone. I have some personality. I especially like to do this with people who leave insulting comments. I'll add an extra spicy caption in my reply video to them.
In middle school, I had the biggest obsession with my Apple Watch and like switching it.
What do you mean Apple Watch in middle school? When I was in middle school, the iPhone 5C.
You think you feel old? You're talking about the iPhone 5C in middle school. When I was in middle school, it was all about the sidekick.
When I was in middle school, this was our cell phone. If you've enjoyed this video, comment below and let me know which of these 9 types of captions you are gonna use on TikTok. Oh, and by the way, I put together my free TikTok starter pack. You can check it out in the link beneath this video. I will catch you guys later. Don't be scared to subscribe to my channel. I give free trainings and tutorials every single week about social media and marketing. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. I can't say that. This is fun because this is playing into a plot twist. So, oh shoot, that one's not. Let me try that again.